Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to post on VSCO. So first of all, go ahead and open up your VSCO app. And what you're going to see, you're going to see the plus button at the top. Let me just close this one. Click the plus button at the top right here. And you're going to be able to see your own gallery or your own album. Click on the album and click the photo that you want to upload and hit add at the top right. And as you can see right here, this is your photo and everything. You can see right here, you can see this is the photo that you posted right here, and here you're gonna be able to see sync to cloud, yeah. And you're gonna be able, if you hold right here, you're gonna see multiple options. If you click right here the photo and click share, and you're gonna see right here post to VSCO, and basically now that post will be shared on VSCO. So let's find out the comments of this video. Hope you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.